हाय एवरीवन, माय नेम इज अंकिता एंड लास्ट 2 दिन के शॉर्ट से आपको पता चल गया होगा कि आई वाज इन मुंबई. आई मेट फ्यू ऑफ माय ओल्ड फ्रेंड्स एंड माय वॉइस इज नॉट रियली वेल, आई नो, क्योंकि मुझे सर्दी हो गई है एंड माय थ्रोट इज लाइक लिटरली हर्टिंग. बट आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड टू शूट अ हाउस वीडियो ऑफ व्हाट आई बॉट फ्रॉम मुंबई. I'm actually born and brought up in Mumbai, pure Jogeshwari Kar. For my engineering, I shifted to Pune, and then मुझे job भी पुणे में लग गई, and fortunately I got location as a Pune. And last 1.5 years से मैंने अपनी family भी पुणे में shift कर दी है. I usually prefer buying clothes from Mumbai क्योंकि मुंबई का market बहुत wide है. There are several places to visit. It's affordable and I love street shopping in Mumbai. बट बिकॉज मुंबई में बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही थी, तो स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग इस बार नहीं कर पाए क्योंकि बहुत सारे मार्केट्स ही ओपन नहीं थे. बट आई स्टिल मैनेज टू बाई सम स्टफ एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू डू haul फॉर दिस एंड दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट haul वीडियो. सो ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ क्लोथ्स फर्स्ट. ऑनेस्टली ऐसा होता है कि हमेशा मैं जाती हूँ एंड देन आई बाय लाइक लॉट ऑफ क्लोथ्स, बट बिकॉज इस बार हम ज़्यादा नहीं जा सके. बट आई डिड विजिट मॉल्स. बहुत बारिश होगी बट फिर भी मॉल्स तो स्टार्ट होते ही है. देन आई बॉट दिस वेरी क्यूट sando top. This is actually from Uniqlo and this brand is specifically for a Korean and Japanese style clothes. And yeah, my friend actually told me about this. मुझे नहीं पता था. And this is how the slip looks like. And I bought actually 2 of them because sale चल रही थी. I'm not into expensive clothes buying, but the fabric quality is very good. And I always used to think कि लोग इतने से fitted clothes पहन के what they are wearing under, it looks so good. And actually they have this bras attached to this and this feels very comfortable. I'm gonna attach photos of trying this, and I bought this too in different colors. You can just wear any cardigan on this and this looks very formal, chic, and if you wear it on the wide leg or bell bottom jeans, it looks so chic. So yeah, this is. And I think one of my best purchase is this skirt. From last few months I'm thinking of buying a skirt. I have one formal skirt. I wanted to buy a skirt जो ऐसे थोड़ा like it will not be a very fitted one but it will look formal also. So I'm gonna show you the photos of wearing this. And this actually I bought for 2000 rupees. I was not very much confident spending 2000 on this, but then I thought कि इसकी quality इतनी अच्छी है and it's stretchable. Even if I gain some weight, I can wear it comfortably. And this is the kind of cloth you'll have it in cupboard for like next 5 to 6 years. You can anytime pull out and wear. So I thought it's a good investment. And क्योंकि online में भी it's around 1000 to 2000 range पे ही आते हैं skirts, and then you cannot try it also. And you have to buy. So I thought this is a good investment. Let me know in the comments. The next thing I bought is this belt, and this was for 100 rupees and the quality and material is so good, so I bought it. और भाई तुम पुणे से मुंबई जा रहे हो, मुंबई से पुणे आ रहे हो and लोनावड़ा लगता है and I was traveling in train, तो तुम लोनावड़ा का चिक्की नहीं ले रहे हो तो मतलब I don't know. So I bought these chickies. This is not something that I bought. This is actually Vaishnavi gave me this, and this is very cute. From the time I've come to Pune, I think this is more expensive for accessories and stuff. आप अगर FC Road जाओगे ना, usually every clutcher that you can buy like 10 rupees, 20 rupees in Mumbai, यहाँ पे वो 50 और 100 रुपए का मिलता है. And I don't know, like no offense to Punekars, I'm also a Punekar now, but यार मुझे लगता है कि चीज़ें बहुत expensive मिलती है पुणे में. I was going from Dadar to Goregaon, and train में there was one lady with all this hooks and very good jewelry, And by kya, I could not control myself and I bought like a lot of bracelets. I bought actually earrings also, but my sister took it with her to her place. So I can show you only the bracelets. And I also bought this foldable bag क्योंकि मुझे लगता है ना हमारा एक हैबिट है कि हम एक तो एक बैग लेके जाते हैं विच इज़ ऑलरेडी फुल्ली स्टफ्ड एंड देन हम न्यू शॉपिंग कर लेते हैं एंड देन देयर इज नो प्लेस एंड आई थॉट इट्स बेटर टू इन्वेस्ट इन अ बैग जो मैं लॉन्ग टर्म में भी यूज़ करूँ एंड विच विल कम हैंडी फॉर माई ट्रैवल yesterday also. So I bought this bag for 250 rupees and I bought this handheld fan for 150 rupees. Actually, I wanted a one with in the large size, but यार क्या था ना वहाँ पे मुझे नहीं मिल रहा था and then I thought this was very cute. मैं नहीं रोक पाई खुद को लेने से. So I bought this fan and I think almost every influencer have this. There's also this one mode where you can just change colors. It changes color from red to yellow, yellow to green, blue also. And this also comes with this charger pin and a stand. And I bought this for 150 rupees. My friend was very upset. She was like, 120 mein bargain karo then. But I bought it. And I can use it in my background also with the color changing feature. I don't know, tell me how this looks. That's it. That's what I bought from Mumbai. I know when I'm gonna visit Mumbai for the next time, when it will not be a rainy season, I will have a lot of clothes to show you guys. But hope you enjoyed this video. So see you in the next vlog. Thank you.